but essentially you're getting people to act right now. You're like, hey, there's no more waiting. Now is the time to go. And if you are running an event where it is truly a unique experience and there's something that they're going to miss out on, like showcase that in the copy. You really want to focus on FOMO here. That's the main goal with the event day campaigns. For post-event, this is, event is over. So now it's, if it is on demand, if you were able to repurpose and actually create content from the event, then this is where you want to kind of keep the event alive, if you will, and start to drive more registrations post-event. So that way you can get more utility out of the content that you already went through, because it's not easy, right, to put on these events. And it's a lot of like pain and effort, especially if it's a large scale conference. So you really want to make sure you get your money's worth. And then finally, 10% will go towards the repurposing phase. And I know we're going to go much more into the weeds on that in future slides. But this is where now you can really focus on just repurposing content, recycling the event content, and reusing it for future promotion.